Hi everyone, in today's video we will be exploring a new feature that we added to BeeSign templates, which is the ability to send multiple documents within the same template. So to get started, click new template, and then you can either upload a PDF for that document or choose an existing form. So I have uploaded two forms using the BeeSign forms section in the dashboard. So let's say I want them to sign this HR document for employment. I will add a new role, let's call it employee, and I want them to sign in the signature box. Now the new thing that we added is if you want to add a second or a third or a fourth document for the same template, all you have to do is click add document on your top left. So you click that, and I will upload another form. And what's nice and simple about this is that you can assign the same rule or the same person to multiple documents, or you can create different rules for different documents. But for simplicity's sake, let's say that I want the same employee to sign both documents, the HR one and the taxes one. So I will add the signature box here and the date field here. So now that's done, I will save the template. I will call it employment. Now I have the template saved. And now if I want to send that employment template to someone I know or a new employee, I will click use template, choose that template, and provide the employee information. So let's say that the employee name is John Doe. I will go ahead and put my email and send it. And as you can see, both documents were sent for signature. And if I checked my email now, I see that both emails were sent to me for both documents. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon.